Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is, you can see here, Jiffy brand steamer. The brand wise J-1400 1500 watts heater. This steamer actually is, we can switch in on or whatever we can do, but steam generator is not working. That's mean we have to check, we have to troubleshoot the problem. Where is the exactly problem? Heater or any other electric section we have to check. Thermostat, thermistor, everything we have to check. Now I will show you the problem and we will go to the next step. Before start the unit, we have to make sure inside water or not. If it is not water, here water already having, it will get damaged heater. Because of that, you have to make sure internal, that's mean generator having water or not. Now it is already having water. Now I will give the power connection. You can see here, it is, I already given power. Indicator is red, that's mean power supply into the unit. Standby this one. This one, while we are selecting here, steam should come. Now we will check. Yes dear, it is actually, if it is heater working, it should warm water, it should come noise at least. This one now nothing. We have to remove and we will check. And here you can see if it is working, at least it should come now. I will remove the hose also here. I remove here already. You can see dear friends, it's nothing actually, it is dead totally, only power indicator. Now we have to remove the bottom cover. After that we can check thermostat, thermistor, heater connection, everything. And before that we have to remove all the water from the machine, because it will go here and there. Because of that we will remove the water, because inside is still having water. It's not warming actually. Because of that, you can see it's nothing. We will remove the water. After that we will remove bottom cover, and also before do anything we have to remove the plug. We have to shut down the electricity. Now we will remove the water first, after that we will check. We remove already water. Now we have to turn it upside down here like that. After that I have to remove this screws here, all the legs screw. After that we can take it out, this part we will remove first, after that we will check. Now I already remove all the screws with the 4 legs. Now I can take this part. Yes dear, you can see here. Now we can check here to thermostat. And also heater connection, also selector switch, everything we can check. We have to check step by step. After that we can understand it is why it's not working. Now dear friends, I'm going to check this one. I already disconnected all the wires. Heater we will check first again. You can see dear friends, heater is okay, no any problem. Also we will check the thermostat here. Yes dear, thermostat also okay. Other thermostat, yes, that one also okay. Here one thermistor, here this through this wire I will disconnect this one here, and we can check this thermistor. This already came out also. Its wire will come here. The thermistor is okay, you can see here. Yes dear, thermistor is okay. Now we have to check only the selector switch only. Now I will give the connection as same before. After that we can check the selector switch. Now this one also for the heater connections. Now dear, I will give the connections, and thermostat here it will come yellow, also here blue. Now it's okay. And also other one here, this one will come red. Yes, also here it will come yellow. Now it's okay. Now heater connection here it will come red, white. Now it's okay. Now I will remove here connections. This one live wire here. This one neutral wire, live and neutral. We can check now. After selecting we will check here. It is off position. That part is okay, but we will check other part. This one thermostat connection, this both. This one go to the heater direct, and I will check now. Yes dear, you can see it is not selecting actually, and I will remove other one also. Yes, dear, problem with the selector switch. After replacing it will be okay. Now we will disconnect this one also. We will remove the selector switch. Thermostat, everything's okay. Now I will remove the knob here. You can see here it is with the thread. Yes, we can remove like that. Yes dear, it will come like that. You can see. After replacing this selector switch, it will be okay. This one not selecting for the heater. This is the problem with this machine. After replacing this selector switch, my job will be finished. Now I have to bring new selector switch. After that it will be okay. Yes dear friend, I having the same new switch. This is old one, this is new one. You can see. Now I can replace this one simply. After that we will check it is whether working or not. It should work actually. We found the problem. It's problem with the selector switch. It is something wrong actually. It's not selecting. Anyway, we will replace and we will check. This part will come like that here. And it will come like that this way. Here it will come. Now we can tighten this screw, this nut. Yes dear, we can tighten this one properly. Now it's okay. Now we will check. Now dear friends, I will show you. Now it should come here neutral, live wire, live, that's mean it should come power here. After selecting, you can see it is off. Now on, it's working fine. The second one also it should be like that. That's mean that's two live wire. Yes dear, you can see. And down one we can check with the neutral wire. Now it is on position. Yes dear, you can see. Now it's okay. Now we will give the connections and we will check with the power. This one dear friends, this is a live wire. It will come to here. This one through the thermistor neutral wire. The middle will come red one. That's been live wire. Also up also live wire. The white one will come to the down. Yes dear. Now we will do one thing. Now we will keep it up and we will fill water and we will check it is whether working or not. Now dear friends, I already fill up the water. Also I given power connections. I already given power connection. Now I will select here stream cycle. You can see here, this is steamer. Now we can wait for a while. After that, if it is heater working, it should make steam. Container cup, I will close that one also. Now I can hear the noise. That means heater is everything working. Problem with the selector switch only. Problem with this one. Problem with the selector switch. It's coming with the knob also. You can see this one already damaged. It's not selecting. One side is not selecting. Actually, the neutral side is not selecting, but live side is okay. Now you can see here, it's vapors coming. That means humidity stream. It's making. It's coming. You can hear. You can see here. Now you can see, dear friends, streams are coming from the machine. Now my job already completed. I have to check downside again, any leakage or something. I have to remove the water also again. Otherwise I am not able to fix properly. We will remove the water and we will fix and we will check again. Now, dear friends, now it is perfect, our job. Finally, I have to close the bottom cover only. This one, it will come like that, 4 legs. You can see here. Now, dear friends, again I fixed already legs, 4 legs and everything perfect. Now I fill the water also again. Also I select here stream cycle. Now it will make a stream. We can check here within few minutes. After that my job will be finished. Now again I'm telling, it is the Jiffy brand from USA. The brand wise J-4000, and also it is heater 1500 watts. This one, if you are going to replace the heater, it should be the same watts, otherwise it will burn. It will get defect very quickly. Now I replace the selector switch because the earlier it is selector switch having issue. Now it's already I replace new one. Now, dear friends, you can see here, it's making a stream. Now my job already completed. Machine is running well without any problem. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.